And I will have a class notes as needed. And in class notes, I will read your readings and the class activities. Okay? For example, the assignments, the discussions that you will be doing that week, or the mini report that you will be doing that week. Okay? And then, if you're doing a mini report, I may have a file or forum. If you are doing discussion forum, certainly I will add a discussion forum for that week. So when you're done writing your discussion items, you come here and post your discussions.
So we write it like in Word or whatever we're comfortable with, and we just attach.
Copy and paste the text,
cut and paste,
then
or?
just
Okay.
Come here and add a new discussion topic.
Okay.
When you click here, you will have options to it. Your discussion topic here, you can say whatever the name, the week 1, and you write your name here. Probably it's not really necessary, but
I have a question about this based on my other online course. If you don't do it in Word and then cut and paste it in here, and you start typing directly in there, and you get carried away and you're typing a long time, will you be timed out and lose all your work?
That did not happen to me, but that's a very good point.
Because that happened to us at Cal State
Okay.
Teach. People would type directly in the forum, and because they're just typing, by the time you want to post it, hit the post button, you lose the whole thing.
That's a good point. So I encourage you to save your discussion topic on your own. Probably use it in the Word, and that will help you spell check as well. Because one of the things I will be asking you to have is, the basic grammar and spell check should be clear. That you do not give it to me something that I don't understand.
Can you repeat our discussions we need to save? Can you repeat that statement?
Oh, you just need to give a title that is clear, that's from you, and the week number, and then you can just start typing your stuff here. Once you're done, let's just do a test, okay?
So you couldn't do a Word document and upload a PDF or a VOC?
No, that's not recommended.
Okay.
If you type it in the Word document, just copy the text and paste it into this box, okay?
Dr. Snow?
Yes?
How did you get to that page?
Click on the week 1. There is a forum called so if you come to the week 1, let me try that again. Class presentation files. So today actually you will be working in your group to come up with a presentation. And then because we have a few students are missing today's class, then I want you to upload your presentation file here.
One for the whole group or one?
Just one for whole group, because one group will just have one file.
Okay.
1 or 2, I don't know how you will do that, but I assume that's 1. And when I did that, actually, I take this back. You don't need your name here because your name appears here with your picture. So you just put your discussion title that makes sense to you. Okay? You decide on the discussion topic according to what topic that's about. And when I click this, I should be able to see the posting, and then click on reply. That's the way you give comment to that post. Okay? And usually I will be asking you to post one original posting and reply to 2 other classmates' postings. Kimberly, right?
Yes, thank you. Now during the regular weeks when we're not all together here, we're going to have group discussions based on like using our email, and then one posting for the whole group, or is once we're in the regular weeks, are we each posting individually?
Okay, I see how you're confused now. That's a very good question. I'm going to clarify that. So each week, the activity is different, right? If you look at the schedule, for example, week 2. Week 2 is next week.
Which starts
And
Wednesday morning.
It's week 2 is June 4th to June 10th.
Okay.
And if you look at the date due, and that column, I said discussion forum, right? So that means you do not have your mini group collaboration that week. If I say it's a mini report, team mini report 1, which is group 4, that means that week you will need to work with your team members to write that report and then post it. In that case, you need your mini group collaboration. But if it just says discussion forum, you don't need to talk to others. You can just read the readings and post your postings and then reply to other postings. So although you will have your group throughout the semester, it's not true that you are working with them every week.
And
You
Not
will be-
mandatory, not mandatory.
Not mandatory.
There are only
Mandatory,
specific times, I'm sorry to
Yeah.
interrupt, just making sure. It's only mandatory when it's
mini
stated
report.
here.
Yes.
so
Okay.
to further clarify, to make sure I'm understanding you, when we have our individual discussion, we do it right here.
Yes.
When we're working with our group, that's when we're communicating through first class through a chat room, and whatever our final product is, then we post it here. Our report, actual submission is here.
That's for mini reports.
Right.
Only.
Yeah,
for-
only.
For mini
That's
reports.
the-
So,
But I think your question was about where we're working. Is that right?
Well, it was kind of, yeah, it was a little bit of that, more, this is
Okay.
mainly it, but yeah, if we are working together as a team for a mini report, we need to, with logging, or we just need to.
yeah,
make
that's
it kind of
what I'm
yeah.
going
What-
to talk next.
yeah, okay.
Is
Great.
like the discussion forums you know now, right? You just come here and
Yes.
post and reply, right? If it says discussion forum, you will do that. If it says mini report, that means you, besides readings, after finish readings, you need to come in a group of your mini group 5 people, right?
Uh-huh.
You need to talk. And then every week, there is a mini report discussion group roles. So there are 4 different roles. One person is the coordinator of the discussion, one person is a recorder, one person is elaborator, and 2 people are explorers. So if you are a coordinator, you will do this, you will have this responsibility. And if you are a recorder, the responsibilities are listed here. And then this role will rotate. For example, in your group, the first mini report, when you discuss the topics, you are the coordinator. The next week, you cannot be a coordinator because someone else needs to be coordinator. Okay? And this will rotate. But it's possible because you have 5 people
Yes.
and we have 4 different roles. It's possible someone may not get one of them, right?
Maybe you have explorers.
So it's okay. But at the end, after the last mini report, which is mini report 4 is done, I will ask self and peer evaluation form. In that you will reflect back how was your contribution to the discussion, how everyone on your team contributed to the discussion, and that will help me determine how much grade you should get. Because each report will have 1 grade, right? For example, mini report 1, the maximum is 25 points, and you may have 23 points. That means everyone's base point is 23, but that will change for individuals based on your contribution. When I get 5 people's evaluation, I will average them up, and then will assign grades in terms of how much you contributed. So when you write your peer and self-evaluation, be very honest. You know, some people say, we are a wonderful team, let's just give us all 100%. That can happen, but it's unlikely. So be honest. And can I have that, please? I don't have that.